Okay, now we will study English. So please open your book, page 10. Please open your book, page 10. Our topic is about my day. Miss Pita repeats, my day. My day in bahasa hariku. So this topic will tell to us about daily activities. Miss Pita repeats, this topic will tell to us about daily activities. Jadi topik kita hari ini akan menceritakan tentang kegiatan atau aktivitas kita sehari-hari. Okay, now please look at number 1, page 10. You have to see some of pictures. After that you have to say the words. But Miss Pita will say the words. After that you repeat after me. Okay? Ulangi setelah Miss Pita. Repeat after me. Number 1, get up. Get up. Number 2, get dressed. Get dressed. Number 3, have breakfast. Have breakfast. Number 4, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Number 5, go to school. Go to school. Number 6, have lunch. Have lunch. Number 7, play in the park. Play in the park. Number 8, have dinner. Have dinner. Number 9, go to bed. Go to bed. Okay, thank you so much for all of you. You already say the words. Now Miss Pita will ask you one by one, what's the meaning of all these words in bahasa. Miss Pita akan tanya apa artinya di dalam bahasa Indonesia. Okay, number 1, please look at the picture. Get up. What in bahasa get up? Okay, good job. Bangun. Number 2, get dressed. What in bahasa? Memakai baju. Number 3, have breakfast. What in bahasa? Sarapan. Number 4, brush your teeth. What in bahasa? Menggosok gigi. Number 5, go to school. Pergi ke sekolah. Number 6, have lunch. Makan siang. Oke, Cosmos remember ya. Breakfast sarapan, lunch makan siang. Oke. Number 7, play in the park. Bermain di taman. Good job. Look at the picture ya, Cosmos. Number 8, have dinner. Makan malam. And the last number, go to bed. Tidur. Oke. Now, please open page 11. Please open page 11. Okay, if you already open page 11, please look at the grammar focus. There is the box, the blue box. This is grammar focus. We will learn about time today. Kita akan belajar tentang waktu hari ini. Look at your book, grammar focus. Look at the blue box. Lihat kotak yang berwarna biru in page 11. Okay. The first, what time is it? Repeat after Miss Pita. Okay. What time is it? Do you know what in bahasa? Pukul berapa ini? So, if there's the question like that, you have to answer like this. It's 9 o'clock. Or, it is 9 o'clock. Jadi kalau pertanyaannya what time is it, maka jawabannya adalah it's 9 o'clock. For example, contohnya kalau itu memang jam 9, oke? And the second, when do you have breakfast? Miss Pita repeats, when do you have breakfast? Oke, what in bahasa? Kapan kamu sarapan? Kalau ditanya tentang kapan kamu sarapan, kapan kamu makan siang, kapan kamu makan malam, maka How do you answer? You have to answer like this. Like on your book. For example, you have breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. So you have to answer at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. Okay, for example, Miss Pita asks you, when do you have dinner? When do you have dinner? Latin bahasa, jam berapa makan malam? For example, you have dinner at 8 o'clock. Misalnya kamu makan malam itu jam 8 bersama keluarga, with your family. So if Miss Pita asks you, when do you have dinner? You have to answer at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. Okay, another example. Please open your book, page 13. Look at number 3. Open your book, page 13. Look at number 3. Think. Okay, there are so many pictures of clocks. There are so many pictures of clocks. Banyak gambar jam. So, I will ask you, what time is it? So, you answer ya. Okay, the first one. The first o'clock. Jam yang pertama. I will ask you, what time is it? Everybody look at the clock. Perhatikan jamnya. What time is it? Okay. Because the short needle, jarum pendek ada di angka 6 and the long needle ada di angka 12, so it means artinya itu jam berapa? Jam 6 pas. So if I ask you what time is it, so the answer is it's 6 o'clock. Okay, good job. Now look at the second o'clock. Lihat jam yang kedua. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Oke, jadi kalau misalnya dia jam 8 pas, jam 9 pas, jam 2 pas, jam 1 pas, you just say with it's, sebutkan nama waktunya, lalu say o'clock. So, if for example you want to say jam 9 pas, so you just say it's 9 o'clock. Or you want to say jam 12 pas, so just say it's 12 o'clock. Okay? Okay, the last example. When do you have lunch? How do you answer? At 12 o'clock. Okay, jam berapa kamu sarapan? Jam berapa kamu makan siang? Jam berapa kamu makan malam? Atau kapan kamu belajar? Maka harus menggunakan at di depannya. For example, when do you have study? Kapan kamu belajar? Misalnya kamu, for example, you have study at home at 7 o'clock. So, if Miss Pita asks you, when do you have study at home? You have to say at 7 o'clock. Okay, Cosmos. Okay, we have assignment for English now. So, please open page 14. Please open page 14. There is the story. Ada sebuah cerita. So, page 15. On the page 15, number 2, there are some questions. Okay, you have to answer this question, but you will get the answer from this story. Okay, you will get all of this answer. Kamu akan mendapatkan semua jawaban dari pertanyaan di halaman 15. You will get the answer from this story. Okay, for example, what does thunder do at these times? Apa yang dilakukan si thunder di jam-jam berikut ini? Okay, this boy, he is thunder. Okay, you have to read the story. After that, you answer the questions. Number 1, 7 o'clock. Okay, it means at 7 o'clock, what does thunder do? What does thunder do at 7 o'clock? Apa yang dilakukan si thunder saat jam 7? You can get the answer from this story ya. Okay, the story in the page 14 and the question in the page 15. You answer, you just write the answer and you write on your exercise book. Okay, Cosmos, you just write the answer and you write on your exercise book. Okay, Okay, that's all about our topic today, Cosmos.